Hi there, and welcome to day 15 of English Boost. Today, we're lacing up our hiking boots and heading into the great outdoors. Topic is hiking. Whether you're planning a short walk in nature or a long trek up a mountain, these words will help you talk about your hiking adventures. Let's get started. Vocabulary and practice. 1. Trail. A trail is a path, especially one through a forest or up a mountain. Example: we followed the trail to the top of the hill. Now you try. Trail. Excellent. 2. Summit. The summit is the highest point of a mountain. Example: reaching the summit was an incredible experience. Now you try. Summit. Well done. 3. Backpack. A backpack is a bag carried on your back, often used for hiking. Example: she packed water and snacks in her backpack for the hike. Now you try. Backpack. Great job. 4. Steep. Steep describes something that has a sharp incline or slope. Example: the trail became very steep near the summit. Now you try. Steep. Fantastic. 5. Gear. Gear refers to the equipment or tools needed for a specific activity. Example: proper hiking gear includes boots, a map, and a water bottle. Now you try. Gear. Wonderful. 6. Altitude. Altitude is the height of a place above sea level. Example: at high altitude, the air becomes thinner. Now you try. Altitude. Excellent. 7. Compass. A compass is a tool that shows direction. Example: he used a compass to navigate the unfamiliar trail. Now you try. Compass. Great work. 8. Shelter. Shelter is a place to protect yourself from weather or danger. Example: they found a small shelter to rest during the storm. Now you try. Shelter. Fantastic. 9. Hiker. A hiker is someone who enjoys walking long distances in nature. Example: the hiker carried a map and water for the long journey. Now you try. Hiker. Excellent. 10. Stamina. Stamina is the ability to sustain physical or mental effort for a long time. Example: hiking requires stamina, especially on long trails. Now you try. Stamina. Wonderful. Awesome job. Now let's use all these words in a short paragraph. Pay close attention to how they're used, and don't forget to focus on the bold or italicized words. Paragraph section. Last weekend, a group of hikers decided to explore a new trail leading to the summit of a nearby mountain. They packed their gear, including a compass and snacks, into their backpacks. Climb became very steep as they gained altitude. Luckily, their stamina helped them reach a small shelter where they rested before continuing. Reaching the summit was worth all the effort. Fantastic! Now let's expand this paragraph into a short essay, adding more details and examples while keeping the main vocabulary words bold or italicized. Short essay section. Last weekend, a group of hikers decided to explore a challenging trail near their town. They spent the evening before preparing their gear, making sure they had sturdy boots, plenty of water, and a reliable compass. Early in the morning, they set off with their backpacks full of supplies. The trail started off easy, but as they climbed higher, it became steep and more difficult to navigate. The increasing altitude made them breathe harder, but they were determined to reach the summit. Along the way, they passed a shelter where they rested and admired the view. The group relied on their stamina and teamwork to keep going. Finally, they reached the summit, where the breathtaking scenery made all their hard work worthwhile. You're doing amazing! Now let's dive deeper with a longer essay, adding more vivid details and stories while keeping the focus on our main vocabulary words. Long essay section. A group of hikers decided to spend their weekend conquering the most challenging trail in their region. This trail was known for its beauty and difficulty, offering incredible views but also testing every hiker's stamina. Before starting, they carefully packed their gear, which included water bottles, energy bars, and a compass. Each of them carried a sturdy backpack filled with essentials for the long journey. The hike started in a dense forest where the path was flat and easy to follow. However, as they gained altitude, the air became thinner and the trail grew increasingly steep. They took frequent breaks to catch their breath, knowing they needed to conserve their energy. At one point, they discovered a small shelter built by previous hikers, where they paused to eat and prepare for the final stretch. The last part of the hike was the toughest. The stamina of the group was tested as they climbed the steep rocky slope leading to the summit. Some wanted to give up, but they encouraged each other to keep going. Finally, they reached the summit where the view was absolutely stunning. They could see the entire valley below, surrounded by mountains that seemed to touch the sky. As they sat down to rest and take pictures, they reflected on the importance of preparation and teamwork. They knew their experience would inspire other hikers to challenge themselves and explore nature. The day ended with a tired but happy group heading back down the mountain, already planning their next adventure. Well done, everyone! Today, we explored 10 essential words about hiking, practiced them in sentences, and used them in paragraphs and essays. Highlighting and repeating these words will help you use them confidently in conversations. Tomorrow, we'll